This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Google category, then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Onwards, open the Data and Privacy page. Scroll it all the way down and go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Now, in order to continue, we will need to input the account password, so let me quickly do that. Then simply finish the account deletion, and once you do that, the parental controls should be lifted off. Now let's see if the system already acknowledged those changes. Yep, as you can see, there is no longer a Google account over here, and if I will open the list of parental controls, there will be none. Now I'll quickly show you how to recover the deleted account as well, which you can very easily do through signing into any Google app with it. I usually go with the Play Store. So enter the email address of the account you have just deleted. Then you should see the message, this one in particular. So follow this message by inputting the account password, and then just proceed with the login. And well, from the fact that we've managed to sign in with the account, you can already tell that it has been successfully restored. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.